Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Una Ear Device. Una know see a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, hey, I see something pop up in the article. I have to run come tell you about this. Then Una know say Marine policeman arrested in drug bust with Haitian. A policeman assigned to the Marine Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, was arrested on Thursday as part of a drug bust conducted by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTOC. Una hear them or something, eh? Una hear them bangarang and my wisdom warriors? The Constabulary Communications Network, CCN, says during the operation conducted in the St. Elizabeth Division, a grey Toyota Hiace bus with 3 men aboard was intercepted. 14 knitted bags of compressed vegetable matter resembling ganja and weighing about 500 pounds were found in the vehicle. Among those arrested was Constable George Jr. Powell, who was assigned to the Port Antonio Marine Division in Portland. The 2 other men in the vehicle were also arrested. When I hear them, bangarang, hey, Lord Jesus. When I hear them, something, policeman assigned to the Marine Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, was arrested. When I hear them, something, my wisdom warriors. But him not easy. Him brave bad. Him not easy, you know. Him not easy. The police say those 2 did not have any identification but appear to be Haitian nationals. So the police, them and here to them a big friend. My wisdom warriors, a long time. Them a friend, you know. You think I know me not talk this person, this individual. Me I talk in general. Seriously. Hey, Angie Olness cause all of this, you know. So them a go bring in here Shannon, this and that, and help with this and that. Remember say all of them come on boat, you know. And some of them gone, some of them they can't even find them, my wisdom warriors. You just stay there, come like you don't know what go on. And some of the Haitian worker them we came to Mustard Seed. Some of them here here so they can't find them. Lord Jesus, what a bangarang. Jamaican so full of pure Haitian. Lord Jesus. Me I tell you no. This a man go get himself mixed up in a one bangarang. Drug boss. One bangarang. Me I tell you no. These people, them not easy. Them not easy. But me like how the police do them work, for telling you the truth. But this a police, this now gonna away no. This now go away. Them a go throw out this a case. I don't know watch. Him a go, then charge him and then bail. And then that's it. Then I don't hear nothing again. Cause you know already, they always protect for them own. Anyway, you wanna tell me what you think. You don't have to agree with me, you know. But just I tell you my opinion. Man wins court award after doctor failed to refer him to ophthalmologist. My wisdom warriors. Man wins court award after doctor failed to refer him to ophthalmologist. Lord Jesus. A budding entertainer who lost his left eye because of the negligence of a general practitioner who failed to promptly refer him to an eye specialist has been awarded 8.6 million plus interest. The claimant Steve Wright, who had visited the defendant Vengta Gudapti on March 2nd, 2012 with an eye infection before he was referred to a specialist 28 days later, was deemed 10% contributory negligent by the Supreme Court. This is from 2012, you know? This is from 2012 and now 2024. Bombard! I saw it take so long. Oh my God, I'll make no bother with this. Hey, this a brother, you know. He mean business, you know, because he lose one eye, you know. He lose one eye because the doctor failed to refer him to a specialist in time. Wanna see my wisdom warriors? Wanna see? You know, see what go down. And you know, give up. But this is why I bring this across and for sure, no. Say, don't give up. Don't give up, my wisdom warriors. Don't give up. Yeah, because this a man here lose him eye just because the negligence of a doctor. Because the doctor them a move slow. So enough time when I see babies are dying, mothers are dying, man are dying, people are dying, nothing come out of it. Just because we don't have the time to go do all these things because they long it out and drag it out. And true they know so the court system is like that. A lot of people can't be bothered. Seriously. But never wanna give up in a life. Never wanna give up in a life, my wisdom warriors. Well done. Well done to this patient. This a patient gone home with 8.6 million. Well, you know, I can't come back. But at least justice is served in one sense. You understand me? I want to tell me one thing still. Because, you know, when I see it, I say, I have to come know what I go on. Because a lot of people, you know, they have their rights to and give it away. A lot of people, they don't really understand certain things. So I say, let me just come and show no what I go on. And say, but it takes so long though. From 2012, nearly half of ventilators in the public system is out of service, my wisdom warriors. When I hear this here, it just come out in the paper. 46% of the ventilators in the Southeast Regional Health Authority are non-operational. The same very, you know, remember when it just happened? And Christopher Tufton run out. And when he run out, what did he say? Him say, 8 of them, they over Southeast Regional. Who remember? And then he said 23. Who remember? And then he said 6. So look, 46% of the ventilators in the Southeast Regional Health Authority are non-operational. But me want to remember say, you know, Christopher Tufton did come and explain to we, you know. Remember the first time he come out, he say 115 ventilators he having on my wisdom warrior. And he said 6 of them gone over to East Regional, you know. And another, he say another 23. Who remember good no man? So remember. Because me come here the first time in a other day, a few days ago. Remember good. And that him say, so if you send 23, go to East Regional Health. And then you send 6. Go to Western, whatever, because I can't remember the whole of them right now, yeah? So 46% out of the 23 now walk. You see uno? You see uno? You see uno? My wisdom warriors. Jaja, 46% of the ventilators in the Southeast Regional Health Authority are non-operational. An internal audit by the Ministry of Health and Wellness has revealed of the 91 life-saving machines spread across the Kingston Public, Victoria, Jubilee, Spanish Town, and Princess Margaret hospitals, as well as the Bustamante Hospital for Children, which fall under SURHA, 49 are working and 42 are non-operational. You hear that? 49 are working and 42 are non-operational. You know what? And you come out and I tell you all this figure. Only a fool wouldn't really stand up with you know after you come out and show you all this foolishness. Only a fool wouldn't defend you know. Eh? You see me posting at the last video how that the woman, the chief medical officer, anytime Christopher Tufton find himself in a shit, you always see him run gone for the chief medical officer. Always. And she come out and come tell we say. She come out and come tell we say the amount where them have is enough. Really and truly. Really and truly. My wisdom warriors, I don't understand these people. I really don't. I really don't. You know, remember, so the chief medical officer come out and say 120 functional ventilators enough to meet public demand. You know, remember that she come out and say, you know, me tell you about it in the last video, you know, how 120 functional ventilators for be enough. Talk truth, my wisdom warriors. How 120 functional ventilators enough to meet the public demand. Eh? And you have 24 hospitals. 3 million people. You know what? I don't know who. You see, this is why the country is going backward. This is why the people are suffering so much because these people don't have no brain cell. It's either them they really don't know my wisdom warriors, like this a chief medical officer, or them blatantly is a liar and then just want the people them dead. Really? Come in, me don't know what else to say. Me don't know what else to say, my wisdom warrior. It is a sad situation. It is a sad situation. Jamaica, you have to do something about this, Jamaican people. You stop sit down. Get up, man. Rise up, man, and stand up for your rights, man. Go fight, man. When I say fight, you go out, go protest. Go every hospital and protest. Protest. Like, come on. Come on. This is ridiculous. I first me ever hear this. Jano. But you tell me what you think about this here. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Breaking news, my wisdom warriors. Breaking news. Well, it has come to my attention that, Lord Jesus, that Cliff Hughes now come out. Well, him saying well, I don't know what you call that, my wisdom warriors, but it seems like him a read out like a message or something like that. Yeah? So, he contact the Integrity Commission and ask the Integrity Commission, how comes the Prime Minister declaration is not certified as yet? And why them a take so long? My wisdom warriors, hear this.
My question? Why has the Integrity Commission not sent a report to Parliament on the PM's declarations not certified after 2 years? Justice Panton, all reports that are to go to Parliament are being sent, and any report that is pending will get there in the fullness of time.
My wisdom warriors, what kind of in fullness of time them a talk about? What kind of fullness of time? Everybody else declaration is certified except for Andrew Holness. 3 years now. It's not 2 years anymore. It's 3 years now. April gone at 3 years now. The Prime Minister Andrew Michael Holness declaration is not certified. You know said this is breaching the law. Did you guys know that? The Prime Minister should step down. A Prime Minister should not have this hang over his head. He should not seek office. He should not talk about no constitution. He should not talk about no republic. He should not talk about all these things. You understand what I try to show you? And on top of that, he not signed the code of conduct. What kind of Prime Minister is this? So when time this man, Pantan, is coming out and he's saying, the chairman is saying, all is going to do in full. What kind of rubbish should I talk about? My wisdom warriors, take in more.
May I quote you? Oh, yes. And then I said to him, so this may drag on for some time. Not really, says Justice Panton. No dragging in anything being done by the IC. And quote, that's from the chairman of the Integrity Commission.
My wisdom warriors, what Integrity Commission mean when they must say not really? The man asks you if it a go drag on. Not really. What you mean not really? Look from when we are wait. Look from when we are wait. But on a hot for everybody else. On a hot for doing vase. On a hot for doing vase. Hey, on a hot for other people them. But Andrew Holness is the one. Look for Andrew Holness. Look how long Andrew Holness no declaring asset. Look how long. So what I talk about? Integrity Commission. Remember, Uno is there to get rid of corruption, you know, brother. Don't make Andrew Holness buy Uno out, you know. Me just say Andrew Holness buy Uno out, you know. Listen good. Come in, I want to come for me. Listen what me say. Me say, do not let money get in the way of this. Because what Andrew Holness do is always use taxpayer money. Yeah? Use taxpayer money and a dozen people eye. You understand me? So me ask you no. A 3 year now. We are all waiting. Andrew Holness should never be a prime minister, you know, my wisdom warriors. We see when all this is going on, Andrew Holness should have stepped down, you know. Andrew Holness should have stepped down. This is not a credible prime minister. What about Andrew Holness is credible? Let me ask you now. Because there's nothing credible about Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness don't want to sign a simple code of conduct that consists of honesty, openness, objectives, and all these things. Andrew Holness don't want to sign it. Why? Why my wisdom warriors? Una fi listen to that why, you know, and think about it, you know. Andrew Wellness is hiding something. He's hiding something from the public. I always ask myself, why the article them not talk about Andrew Wellness declaration? And it is Andrew Wellness breach the law. Look how much people breach the law and impress charges. They say Dwayne Vaz breach it, don't it? Dwayne and impress charges. And quite a few more people, they impress charges. So what about Andrew Wellness, sir? Andrew Wellness no different from nobody else. In another country, them a press charges and send them to prison. What the hell? This is why they don't want to get rid of the DPP, you know, because you don't know so the DCP. Yeah? The DCP, the Director Corruption Prosecutor, and the DPP. You don't know so the two of them kind of work together, my wisdom warriors. Because any little thing, the DCP have to let the DPP know, you know. This is why they don't want to get rid of this woman, you know, Paula Llewellyn, you know. It is a reason, you know. These people are enriching themselves. This is why Andrew Wellness can't explain how he get the big house on the hill. You know, say, wow, go down. And not only that, in business, them when have over St. Lucia. In business, them when build up all over Jamaica. You know things that we are fool about, yeah? And a prime minister break the law, breach the law, and nobody no do nothing about it. PSOJ quiet, Governor General quiet, because they know why the whole of them are the same. The whole of them are corruption. The only person speak out against it is Mark Golding. Because Mark Golding is true to the people. He is true to the people. And then you have this chairman now. Really, chairman? You talk about not really. You know, go drag out not really. We want, and remember say June on say, you know, all annual report come out every 3 months, you know. And that don't say, no, brother. You think me forget? Me not forget nothing. And me I wonder how comes me not see nothing yet upload on the website. Nothing, you not say nothing go parliament. Hello, we have less than a week, you know. We have less than a week, so no hurry up and do what I do. Come on, know what checks about Andrew Wellness. I want what Andrew Wellness have, so. How much list Andrew Wellness have? If he take on a 3 year, if he can update we. Hello, we are waiting. Because Andrew Wellness is under investigation and we can't see it on the website. Did you guys remove it? You need to put it back. When the day when they start the investigation, you need to put it back on the website. My wisdom warriors are pure corruption are going in Jamaica. And we have to go take over the island. And we have to go take back the country. And we have to go do it. We the people have to go do that. A serious thing me I tell you now. We the people. Pure corruption all both. And one person must stand up and a lick out, and the opposition side them alone a lick out. The opposition side them alone a lick out. Jano, my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, me want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, if you want to send me any videos, any information, or you want to reach me, you can contact me on 876-236-9097. And if you want to bless up my PayPal and my Zelle, feel free to do so. The link them I got there in the comment section. Bless up again. One love.